Big focus this hour after getting actor turned politician Khushbu into its fold. The state unit of the BJP is working towards obtaining the support of another prominent face in Tamil Nadu. Let me quickly draw in PKD Nambiar first into the discussion. PKD Nambiar, we were doing a show with you a few days back and you said wait and watch this space for a big announcement from Tamil Nadu. Now that day we thought you were meaning Rajnikant, but were you meaning Alagiri? Is the deal done and dusted? PKD Nambiar, what are you learning?
I actually wanted to start with the same thing, what I said on the other day, but then I can tell you, this is just, there are a lot of things are going to happen. The big one is yet to come, and I still, the word which I said that day will remain a suspense for a few more days.
No, but coming back to Alagiri, Mr. Nambiar, do you believe that it's now highly likely that he will ally with the BJP?
No, I don't know. Let me discuss the very political significance of Alagiri coming out of the DMK. DMK itself is a big thing because there is a South Tamil Nadu, Alagiri, especially the Madurai belt. Alagiri has got a bigger, very, very big clout, and he's a grassroots politician. He's not a television personality, or he's not a politician like an MK Stalin who would have a larger than life image, or he never tried to portray that level. He don't even speak any other language other than Tamil, and he's purely connected to the grassroots level, and he has got a huge clout. You can't just say that, oh, he don't have any clout, and he was the one who was working on the ground for so many years, and the southern part of Tamil Nadu, he has got a huge clout. Now coming to your first question, that is, will it make any impact, or will he join or otherwise come in close with the BJP? That is the time will only say. But yes, today one thing is very clear, that most of the people, today we are talking about in Tamil Nadu politics, BJP is becoming relevant in the national television, or rather everybody wanted to have a pie of BJP, or everybody wanted to be a part of BJP. That itself is a very, very significant thing when it comes to state politics, that too like a Tamil Nadu. Another thing is that there is a large amount of the celebrities or otherwise film stars who have started like Vijaykanth, Sharath, etc. They all had a very good innings. For an example, Vijaykanth had a very good run up to 30 odd seats once upon a time. So yes, they all do not have any more clout in the politics, but they all have their own local support, good mass-based support in different locals. They are all coming towards BJP is a great news. And I don't know whether you have seen that the Vijaykanth party is also coming to it. They had two stints with NDA earlier.
So we have to wait and watch what happens to the DMDK is what you're saying as well.